It's Master Teresa. I'd like to help you to have a wonderful 2026, and I want to talk a bit on the Heart Chi Gong today. I created the Heart Chi Gong workbook and book called The Unlocking Your Happiness Within, Living the Life You Choose with Qigong. And I find most people are struggling with their feelings and how we believe in ourselves, and can we trust ourselves, and if I can empty the disturbing thoughts in my head, right? If we keep on doing it, simply think about energy coming in, energy releasing, as I talk about in the book, it will help you to feel lighter. Since creating the Heart Chi Gong, I have created it into life workshop. So I teach people how to integrate what they want with the Heart Chi Gong. Returning to the basic, I always love and appreciate, accept and approve of myself unconditionally. It is words, just words. But if we really integrated these words into truly affirmation, we call that as belief system. It is in my belief that loving me is good to do, and I can always do that. I can always let myself expand. All these things are important basic belief system that helps people to be the best version of themselves. We just want to, in my opinion, help ourselves, plus help those in our life to improve. And we also want everyone to understand returning to loving ourselves. It's truly the beginning of a new future built based on love. Hey, listen to some of the testimonials, and I welcome you to check Pure Land Qigong, Heart Qigong. Thank you. Also, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I thank you. Share my messages and trust me that I can be a little part of your life. Thank you.
Oh, I feel great after this session.
I always love, appreciate, and accept myself unconditionally. The statement's more solid after doing the practice.
I feel like I've integrated this statement, so it feels really good and grounded in my body and my cells.
Oh, I'm feeling great. I felt a lot of releasing, a lot of barriers, and I just feel overwhelmed with love. I could just heal the world, so it just feels so good. But I'll start with myself. It was a little bit hard. I felt the resistance before we went into the Qigong. I really felt the resistance I have and the walls I put up and the barriers. And then once I got through it, it was just this beautiful, just love just flowed through me. And I thought, oh, I want this all the time.
I feel very peaceful.
And a good release.
Yeah, I felt that was a really, really nice practice that I want to continue to do.
Really embodied those affirmations after doing the practice. It's not just saying it, but being it.
I feel super relaxed. I was able to release so much that I was holding on to and really just feel myself with this new energy that felt so loving and gentle and soft, and it just felt really wonderful, really peaceful and beautiful.
Just accepting myself as who I am without having to do anything. Yeah.
I felt really light and clear, and with the affirmations, it just felt more solid, more embodied, as some people said.
Yes, I felt such a big shift this morning.
So I would recommend people to practice this particular modality of Qigong.
It's quite helpful, and I'm in a last week, and then it integrated, and tonight I just feel like it was so much there was more flow tonight with the integration.
When you first signed up, I thought, the 3 weeks would feel long to do, but actually it didn't. I think 3 weeks is probably just the right amount of time for this.
3 weeks was perfect. I think it brought me back to thinking, oh, the next week's coming up, and it allowed me to think about how to love myself, you know, gradually, slowly, and all of a sudden I go, oh my God, I actually really love myself.
Also, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I thank you. Share my messages and trust me that I can be a little part of your life. Thank you.